Finding funding for your business is absolutely crucial for the growth of your business. In this video, we're going to dive deep into the world of business credit. We're going to explore what they are, why they're essential, and most importantly, some of the top options in the market. So if you're ready to supercharge the growth of your business, tap in. So before we jump into the best options, let's make sure we're all on the same page about what a business line of credit is. So a line of credit is basically a credit card without an actual credit card. And the way you get access to the capital with your line of credit is through a transfer from the line of credit to your checking account with that same institution that gave you the line of credit. So let's say you get approved for a $30,000 business line of credit, right? You will have to set up a business checking account with that same bank in order to get access to your line of credit. You might ask yourself, why would I need a business line of credit? Well, here's 3 reasons why you might need one. Let's say you have clients that haven't paid you yet, but you know you're going to get paid within the next 90 days and you still need capital to keep your business afloat. This would be a good use case for getting a business line of credit. Or let's say you need working capital just to get your business off the ground or to keep your business running while you generate the revenues to be able to sustain your business. Let's say you're in real estate and you need money for down payments on hard money lending. This is another use case for getting a line of credit. You want to use lines of credit for short-term expenses that you know you can pay back within the next 3 to 6 months. When it comes to choosing the best line of credit for your business, you want to look at the yearly fees, the interest rates, and the monthly payment. So when it comes to yearly fees, a lot of banks will charge an annual fee to keep the business line of credit active, and a lot of banks will give you a line of credit for about 3 years, and every 3 years they'll renew it based on your personal credit, how fast you paid the line of credit down. Second thing, interest rates. I've seen interest rates range, mind you, this is September 2023. I've seen interest rates currently range anywhere between 10 and 18% on a business line of credit for business owners with a 720 plus FICO score. So you want to look at the banks that have towards the lower end of that 10% range when it comes to a business line of credit. Third thing, the monthly payment options. There are some banks that will do what's called an interest-only payment. Interest-only payment means you only pay the interest that's accrued on the balance that you borrow. Let's say you borrow $50,000 and a particular bank may charge you $500 a month in interest to borrow the $50,000 versus another bank may charge you $1,500 a month, and that includes principal and interest. So you want to know which banks do interest only, which banks do principal and interest on their monthly payments when it comes to business lines of credit. So US Bank gave me a $50,000 business line of credit. I had to show 2 years business tax returns, and it's a SBA-backed business line of credit, meaning if I were to default or my business were to default on this business line of credit, the SBA would recover a portion of this line of credit to US Bank. So it's less risk to US Bank because it's backed by the SBA. But again, you have to have 2 years business tax returns. And the interest rate that I got on this line of credit was 10.49%. Mind you guys, this is September 2023. Then the second option that I'll give you guys is First Citizens Bank. So First Citizens Bank gave me $50,000 business line of credit as well. First Citizens Bank only requires 1 year of personal or business tax returns. So if you don't have business tax returns, but you have personal, you still qualify. The good thing with First Citizens Bank, they do interest-only monthly payments. If you borrow $50,000 on your business line of credit with First Citizens Bank, you only have to pay the interest of it every month. So let's say your interest is $600 a month or $500 a month. You only have to pay $500 to $600 a month while you're borrowing that $50,000 to help you make more money. The interest rate on First Citizens is a little higher at 13.5%. But again, this is an interest-only option for a business line of credit. So US Bank and First Citizens Bank are my 2 go-tos, but mind you, your business has to be at least 1 to 2 years old, and you have to have at least 1 to 2 years of business tax returns to qualify. And when it comes to applying for a business line of credit, you want to make sure you have your business documents intact. So your articles of organization, your EIN confirmation letter, your business or personal tax returns, and you also want to make sure your credit score is above 720 that your personal credit card utilization is below 10%, that you don't have any more than 3 hard inquiries within the past 3 months. And then you want to find your lender. I gave you guys US Bank and First Citizens Bank, but there's a ton of other banks out here that extend business lines of credit. I recommend going into the branch to apply for a business line of credit instead of applying online, because you want to build a relationship with the business manager at the bank of your choice. And lastly, wait for approval. Most approvals will take 7 to 10 business days. Once you get approved, you set up your online account, your business checking account. So that's it, guys. That's everything you need to know when it comes to a business line of credit, which bank to choose, how to apply, and it all just boils down to which one aligns best with the needs of your business. If you got access to $100,000 in credit, would you use the capital to buy a luxury vehicle or purchase an investment property? Watch the video to my left where I break down the differences between good debt and bad debt. Thank you guys for tuning in. Make sure you hit the subscribe button. Share this video, like the video, so other people like you can find it. Appreciate you guys for tapping in. And as always, have a play for your money, family. Let's get it.